on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be fishing the pond. I haven't fished here in a while. It's been a minute. The water is probably going to be murky as usual, but we'll see how it is. But without further ado, let's go catch some fish. All right, guys, I'm going to be starting off with this natural colored Cinco. This seems to always work. I always get bites on this, and the water is kind of clear. I mean, it's always like this, but see if we can catch anything. Like I said, guys, I have not fished here in a while. It's been probably a few weeks. I've been fishing at the lake a lot. I haven't fished this spot in a while. Oh, I just got a bite. That was a good bite. Holy crap. He just had it on the fall. That was a good bite. He almost pulled my rod. Holy crap. The hell am I doing? There we go, guys. Oh, is he still on? No, I think he came off. He came off. I set the hook too early. Oh, man. All right, I guess we'll keep fishing. All right, guys, so I've gotten one bite so far. He came, oh, there he is again. No. Same exact spot. Why can't I hook set? Well, that's a nice one. That is a nice fish, guys. Oh my God. That is a quality fish right there, guys. Guys, this is a nice fish. A nice fish. It looked big. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish, guys. Probably about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Get in here, buddy. Not bad, guys, not bad. There you go, guys. First fish of the day. Not a bad one, about 1 pound, 1.5 pounds. Fought hard. Go ahead and let him go. There he goes. I got that bite closer to the tree, probably about 3 feet, 4 feet of water. He was not that deep, so I'm assuming they're pretty shallow. So I think I'm gonna fish 4 feet to probably 12 feet of water and see what I can get from that. There we go, guys. Fish number 2. Feels like about the same size. Not a bad one, guys. Not a freaking bad one. I want to see this guy. Yeah, he's a little smaller. Not a bad one though. Chunky little guy. All right, guys, there we go. Fish number 2. That thing is so fat. Look at the belly on that thing. He's been stocking up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Not a bad fish, guys. There he goes. Fish number 2. There we go, guys. That is a nice fish. Oh my God. Biggin, guys. I thought that was a big fish. Never mind. Apparently not. All right, guys. First fish on the crankbait. Barely hooked. Not a bad one. Hook came right out, guys. Third fish. Go ahead and let him go. There he goes. Is that a fish? I think that is a fish, guys. I can't tell. Oh yeah, that's a fish, guys. There we go. That hook set was whack. Seems like a nice one too. Not the 5 pounder we're after, but still a good fish. All right, guys, there we go. Fish number 4. Not a bad day, guys. There he goes. Oh, I missed that fish. That was a small fish, guys. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Caught 4 in total. Not a bad day. It is currently 12 o'clock. I started at around 8 or so. Hopefully next time I can try the lake and maybe catch some bigger fish, but we'll see. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.